Good morning, everybody. I am over here drinking another cup of coffee, and I wanted to just come on and share a little bit more about my book with you guys. It is going to be released on Tuesday, just a couple days. It's getting really exciting. You guys have seen just the previews that are on Amazon right now, but I'm going to show you just a little bit more of a peek inside because there's so much more to the book than's listed on Amazon, and I just wanted to share it with you. So first up, the back cover, one of your favorite beach bike photos. And inside you're going to find things like holiday, because we included a lot of really pretty holiday photos to kind of inspire outdoor entertaining, table settings. And also you're going to find just inspiration and the elements of what makes it my style and how to get the look yourself. So there's going to be some stuff about the story of this house and how I kind of learned what I really liked. So I hope you guys love the book when you get it if you order it. I hope you will order it if you haven't yet, and I'm going to put the link up, and have a great weekend, everybody.